With apps and data moving to the cloud, more mobile access, and cybercriminals getting increasingly sophisticated, you need the ability to protect and control your business data without compromising productivity. Microsoft 365 Business has security built into its productivity platform, which means with one simple solution to deploy and manage, you're protected. With Microsoft 365 Business, you can protect company email against spam and viruses and block ransomware and phishing attacks. It helps you prevent business data leaks by protecting your files and restricting the ability to copy or save sensitive information such as credit card numbers or social security numbers. Enjoy peace of mind with built-in mobile device management, including the ability to wipe business data on lost or stolen devices without affecting personal information. With Microsoft 365, protect what matters most. Everything you need, wherever you need it, in one solution.